With me now is Dr. Mark Escott. He's the Medical Director for Austin Public Health. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
I'm happy to have you here because there's a lot going on. We've already had this early start to flu season, and it is very serious. Tell me what you've been seeing.
Yeah, so we've seen a quite early peak in the flu season in Travis County and across Texas. It's about 2 months earlier than we would normally see a peak. In the past 3 weeks, we've seen a 100% increase between week 44 and 45, a 100% increase between 45 and 46, and now a 275% increase last week, which is alarming us and makes us want to really spread the message about the importance of flu vaccination.
And it is important to spread that message, especially because you've said we've already had one death, unfortunately, in Texas.
That's right. We've had one death. We had 2 school closures in the past month in Travis County, and that indicates to us that this is going to be a severe season.
Severe season. So what do we need to know, and how can we help our families prepare?
The most important thing to know is to get the flu shot. It is one of the greatest achievements in history, the ability to vaccinate against flu, and it's really important to get that, particularly before the peak we normally see in January and February. The other big things are, if you're sick, to stay home from work, stay home from school. That really does help us prevent the spread of the disease.
Thank you so much. It's great advice. It's a great reminder. Sometimes, you know, we're not sure if it's a cold, if it's the flu. You say err on the side of caution.
That's right. It's important to see your doctor early. It's very difficult to tell between the two in those first 48 hours, which is key, because in those first 48 hours, the treatment has to begin for it to be effective.
Okay, and we want it to be effective because no one wants to be sick. Dr. Escott, thank you so much for joining us with this information. For even more tips, head to our website, spectrumlocalnews.com.